Hey, video service information here. Today we're looking at a 2011 Nissan Rogue. The vehicle's got around 83,000 miles on it. It has the 2.5 engine in it. And also it has the CVT transmission, which is a continuously variable transmission. The customer was stating that the check engine light was on and the vehicle was running poorly. They also stated while they were driving over, they experienced a lack of power at a stop. The vehicle had to be pushed in once we got it to the shop. I mean, it wouldn't go under its own power. So went ahead and checked the transmission fluid. Found this to be dirty and metallic debris in it. Since the check engine light was on, went ahead and scanned it. And we have a P0744 Torque converter code and a P0746 code, which is a PC solenoid A, and then it has a step motor code, which is a P1777. They all say they passed at this time, but they were active codes. Got the vehicle up in the air, looking at the transmission. Did notice it has a severely rusted pan, but it didn't have any external leaks anywheres. Pan's, not at the point where it's totally porous and seeping through yet. So went ahead and got the transmission pan removed to check for debris, and we did find some metallic debris. This is all metallic right here that is stuck to the magnets. You can see here, these are all metal fragments. Usually these metal fragments are from the belt rubbing against the pulleys and causing metal circulation to the valve body. And we have torque converter issues, valve body issues, and this thing is going to need a transmission replacement. To give you guys an idea of what I mean by pulleys on a CVT transmission that get gouged, this is a picture of another CVT transmission that I looked at just to show you guys what it looks like. You can see here, this is a pulley on the transmission, and you can see all the gouging in the area where the belt's been rubbing. Get this zoomed in here. Then we got metallic fragments of metallic that are stuck to the valve body. You can see right here. So you can see once we get metal circulation to these CVT transmissions, there's not much saving them. You need to completely tear them down and rebuild them and clean them very good. But it's usually more cost effective to replace the transmission. And the customer, if they go with a reman transmission or a new transmission, they'll get another warranty with it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I put up new videos. Have a nice day.